I'm your coach Rich Erondu. I'm teaching you today about futures trading on Bitget, making money with futures trading on Bitget, part 1, especially for newbies, for people who have not tried futures trading in cryptocurrency. Futures trading simply means predicting the price movement of cryptocurrency, whether it's going up or down. When you predict it and you got it right, you enter the trade and you are making profit. If your prediction goes in line with if the market or the cryptocurrency moves in line with your prediction, you are making money. If it goes contrary to you are losing money. So that's the definition. So let's look at Bitget. This is the Bitget app. From here you can go to your assets if you want to trade futures. When you are done with your analysis, you want to trade futures, as you click assets, you see overview, spot, futures, and OTC, blah blah blah. Then you click on this futures, FUTURES, futures. As you click on futures, before then you must have money in your OTC. Look at OTC. This is OTC. Yeah, OTC. You must have money in it. How do you get? When you deposit money in your Bitget, try to enter your OTC. It is through P2P trading. If you don't know how to do P2P, that means you have not even started. You can learn it or pay a coach to teach you how to do basics of crypto. Watch my video on YouTube channel also. In this channel, it will help you know how to do P2P and other basics of crypto. So, to deposit money, after depositing money in your wallet through P2P, through your bank transfer, you buy the USDT or any other coin. Then you will, especially USDT stable coin, the money will be in this OTC. From OTC, you see buy, sell, transfer, withdraw. You transfer it to your futures wallet. How? As you click transfer, so I've done now. Yes, you now see spot OTC. So what I want to do, I want to move the money from OTC. Let me assume I have money here on my OTC to, it's not spot. You look at the S stream. You click on this S stream. You now see you see USDTM futures, USDTM futures, coin and futures, blah blah blah. So what we are looking at now is USDT. That's the main coin I advise people. It's the same thing with USDT anyway in value, but we prefer USDT. You now click on USDTM futures. As you click on it, then you move your fund, your money, from this OTC to USDTM futures. You move it. If I had money here, just click all. There is no money there. So immediately I transfer it, I confirm. Then you have transferred money to your USDTM futures. Then when you transfer, assuming there is money there, if there is no money there, come back. You now see the money here. Where my own is 0.0. So I say, let me give you the steps guidance as part 1. So immediately your money is here. You are on futures, you click on trade, you click on trade. As you click on trade, the next thing you do, you will see this interface. So when you see this edge, you now see market is already on market. You select market or limit order, which is the most popular. The other ones is not. We don't care. We don't care where these other ones for now. As a beginner, the most popular ones we use is limit order. When you limit, you don't enter the trade at once. You place the amount you want, or you use market order, enter the market at once. And as you do that, this is where I will stop for now. We'll explain more in part 2. This is the first things you have to know about futures trading. You limit order, market order. Then when you place your orders, you can say this is what do you call it? TPSL is here. Take profits, you put the amount. Stop loss, you put the amount. Very, very important. And like I said, you now select, as you place the order, you now see the order. You select margin. Order is USDT value. You put the amount of USDT order, all of them. If you have money in your listing, in your futures, you select. All of them is similar. Sorry, this was showing me sports trading instead of futures interface. Sorry. From here, this is where you click thread, not below, to give you futures interface. Sorry, that was sports. So this is futures. Okay. As you see, futures is different from sports. In futures, we see cross margin that I told you about. Cross is already on cross margin. I can change it to what do you call it, isolated. So you see your limit order. You can change it to market order, advanced limit and market order. Okay. Sorry, the other one was on sports. Sorry. So this is the real futures page now. So from here you apply take profits, take loss. You put the money. You can do open long or open shorts. Open long means you are predicting it's going up. Short means open short means you are predicting the crypto will drop. Like this dots USDT now. Then leverage, which is 10 times, already on 10 times. You can make it any of your leverage choice. You can put it 15 times, 26 times, 40 times. That means it will double your the money you are using to trade. Let's leave it at 20. I confirm 20 times the leverage. So you can put your leverage to any amount, but preferably don't use too much high leverage. 10 is okay, 5 is okay, especially for beginners. So it's on 10 now. So it was hanging. Okay, so I left it at 10. Then I don't want this video to be long. I'm closing less highest 1 minute from now. Since it's part 1, we explain more in part 2. So you see cross 10 times leverage, open, close. As you open it, you can close it. And this is CP, take profit, stop loss, and whatever important. Then this is cross margin. Yes, I change it. Yes, this is how to change it. Touch that house. You see cross margin isolated. You change it to isolated, like I advise newbies. It's better in isolated so that you will not lose all your money if it enters liquidation. Very, very important. So for now, this is part 1. These are the first things you know: leverage, isolated, and take profit, stop loss. Then you predict up and down. These are just the basic things you need to know. So maybe next video I will do a live trading. Then secondly, the advantage of this is this: you can also use them. See where it is in demo. You click demo, and these things I just taught you now, you will discover they will give you money. If there is network is disturbing, okay, you have entered the demo. From demo now you have money, and you now act on the knowledge. You now use demo to test your trading skills. Very, very important, very good. So this is where we stop now. Please, any question, subscribe, like this my YouTube channel, and also ask questions and watch part 2 of how to make money with just trading. This is just the basic things you need to know. I remain your friend and your coach and your brother Rich Erondu. Make sure you also share this video with other people and subscribe to the channel, and God bless you all. And this one, you need to manage risk. I will explain it in part 2 about leverage and all that, and the best way to trade and make money in the part 2 of this futures trading with Bitget. So remain blessed as you keep watching. Thank you.